The business of logistics is really about delivering goods from point A to B. Sounds simple enough, but in reality, moving from point A to point B is not as straightforward as you might have hoped. It could be that time is wasted because of inefficient routes, or money is spent on more fuel for longer trips. Then there's the issue of sorting through all those forms, reports, documents, and sheets. Now, revolutionizing your business is at your fingertips. Now, that's living the smart life.